Hi, my name is Mike Mergiano with Sunfinity Flowers, and today I'd like to talk to you about our Sunfinity Sunflower. Sunfinity is a really unique, innovative product that offers so many benefits for the home gardener and for the environment. What makes Sunfinity so unique, first and foremost, is that unlike a traditional sunflower that has one single stem with a single flower on it, as you can see here in the plants around me, Sunfinity is covered with literally hundreds of flowers that last the entire summer long. For the home gardener, that means constant color and beauty in your garden. The other unique feature about Sunfinity is that because of all those flowers, it's a wonderful attractor of pollinators to your garden as well as other wildlife. As you can see, hopefully the bees are swarming around me here. They love the nectar that Sunfinity produces. Although Sunfinity is pollenless, it still offers nectar, which is the main attractor to the bees. It's also a wonderful product for attracting butterflies to your garden. I live downtown in Chicago, Illinois, and I plant my front garden full of Sunfinity plants. And every summer the monarchs stop at my house. It's so exciting to come out into the garden and see them all there. You think that the city is a place where you don't see a lot of wildlife. Every year finches are attracted to my garden. They're just beautiful to come out and again experience wildlife in the city. These work great in large gardens or small gardens. They'll fill the space. They're full of flowers, again, lasting the whole summer long, whereas a single sunflower will come and go. This gives you many opportunities to experience the joy of a sunflower. There's also one other thing that you can do with Sunfinity that makes it a lot more interesting than your traditional sunflower. You can see here I'm holding a flower that I cut off of a plant. Because Sunfinity produces so many flowers, you can actually cut these flowers, take them indoors, and enjoy them not only in your garden, but also in your inside of your home. So try Sunfinity. I think you'll love all the aspects that it brings to your gardening experience.